In the heart of Africa's agricultural landscape lies a fruit that embodies both sweetness and economic promise, the pineapple. With its spiky exterior and juicy interior, the pineapple not only tantalizes taste buds, but also holds the potential for lucrative business ventures. As the demand for fresh, top-quality produce surges both locally and globally, the pineapple stands out as a symbol of opportunity, inviting entrepreneurs to delve into the realms of cultivation and commerce. But to make this tropical delicacy a successful business venture, one must learn the complexities of market dynamics and agriculture behind its prickly exterior. Join us on a journey through the lush fields and vibrant markets of Africa as we reveal the keys to starting a successful pineapple business, from choosing the best soil conditions to creating a brand that perfectly embodies this unique fruit. Understanding the pineapple market in Africa requires a nuanced exploration of diverse factors influencing both demand and supply dynamics. Firstly, Africa's burgeoning population, coupled with increasing urbanization and changing dietary preferences, presents a significant opportunity for pineapple producers. With a growing middle class seeking healthier and more diverse food options, the demand for fresh fruits like pineapple is on the rise. Moreover, pineapple's versatility as a snack, juice, or ingredient in various culinary dishes further amplifies its appeal across a wide consumer base. Secondly, while local demand forms a substantial portion of the market, the potential for export cannot be overlooked. African pineapples are renowned for their exceptional flavor and quality, making them competitive in international markets. Strategic partnerships with global distributors and adherence to stringent quality standards can pave the way for African pineapple producers to tap into lucrative export opportunities, particularly in Europe and the Middle East. However, despite the promising prospects, challenges persist within the pineapple market ecosystem. These challenges range from infrastructural limitations, hindering transportation and storage capabilities, to fluctuating market prices and competition from imported fruits. Understanding and effectively navigating these challenges is crucial for pineapple farmers and entrepreneurs aiming to establish a sustainable and profitable presence in the African pineapple market. Through strategic market analysis, targeted branding, and innovative marketing strategies, stakeholders can position themselves for success in this dynamic and rewarding industry. Selecting the ideal location and soil conditions is paramount for the success of a pineapple venture in Africa. Pineapples thrive in warm climates with well-drained, fertile soil, making the choice of location crucial. In Africa, regions with tropical or subtropical climates, such as parts of West Africa, East Africa, and Southern Africa, offer favorable conditions for pineapple cultivation. Factors such as temperature, rainfall patterns, and altitude must be carefully considered to ensure optimal growth and yield. Additionally, proximity to transportation networks and markets should also be taken into account to streamline distribution and reduce logistical costs. Equally important is assessing the soil conditions of potential pineapple farming sites. Pineapples prefer sandy loam or loamy soils with good drainage to prevent waterlogging, which can lead to root rot and stunted growth. Conducting soil tests to determine pH levels, nutrient content, and organic matter can provide valuable insights into soil fertility and suitability for pineapple cultivation. Amendments such as compost or organic matter may be necessary to improve soil structure and nutrient availability, ensuring healthy plant growth and high-quality fruit production. By carefully selecting locations with optimal climate and soil conditions, pineapple growers can lay the foundation for a successful and sustainable business venture in Africa's thriving agricultural landscape. Choosing the right pineapple varieties is a pivotal decision that can significantly impact the success of a pineapple business in Africa. With a plethora of cultivars available, each offering distinct characteristics in terms of taste, yield, and disease resistance, careful consideration is essential. Varieties such as Smooth Cayenne, Queen Victoria, and MD2, Golden Sweet, are popular choices known for their exceptional flavor profiles and high yields. However, Factors such as local climate conditions, soil type, and market preferences should also influence the selection process. For instance, MD2 is prized for its superior sweetness and long shelf life, making it well-suited for export markets, while smooth Cayenne may be favored for its robust growth and adaptability to various soil types. Furthermore, indigenous pineapple varieties present unique opportunities for differentiation and niche markets. In Africa, traditional cultivars like the sugarloaf pineapple in Ghana or the natal queen in South Africa carry cultural significance and distinct flavor profiles that appeal to local consumers. Embracing and promoting these indigenous varieties not only preserves biodiversity, but also offers a competitive edge in catering to niche markets seeking authentic and heritage-rich products. Collaborating with local communities and farmers to preserve and propagate indigenous pineapple varieties can foster socio-economic development and sustainability within the agricultural sector. Moreover, advancements in agricultural research and breeding programs continue to introduce new pineapple varieties with enhanced traits such as disease resistance, drought tolerance, and improved yields. Collaborating with agricultural institutions and engaging in variety trials can provide valuable insights into the performance and suitability of these emerging cultivars in African climates. By staying abreast of the latest developments in pineapple genetics and cultivar selection, growers can leverage innovation to optimize production efficiency and meet the evolving demands of domestic and international markets, ensuring long-term viability and profitability in the pineapple business. Establishing sustainable farming practices is pivotal for pineapple businesses in Africa, not just as a moral obligation, but as a strategic necessity. In a world increasingly concerned about environmental impact, consumers are gravitating towards products cultivated with eco-friendly methods. By adopting sustainable agriculture techniques such as organic farming and integrated pest management, pineapple growers can not only preserve soil health and biodiversity, but also cater to the growing demand for ethically produced goods. Beyond environmental benefits, sustainable practices also foster economic resilience and social cohesion within local communities. Fair labor practices and investment in community development initiatives ensure that pineapple farming contributes positively to livelihoods. Moreover, by diversifying income streams through agroforestry and value-added products, growers can mitigate risks associated with climate change while simultaneously enhancing farm profitability. Innovation plays a key role in sustainable agriculture, offering opportunities to boost efficiency and reduce waste. Technologies like precision agriculture and renewable energy solutions not only optimize resource use, but also lower operational costs. By embracing sustainability as a guiding principle, pineapple businesses can not only thrive economically, but also contribute to a healthier environment and more equitable society. Achieving maximum yield in pineapple cultivation is a delicate balance of tried and true methods and innovative techniques. To start, getting the planting process right is crucial. Whether you're opting for crown or sucker planting, giving each pineapple plant enough space ensures they get the sunlight and airflow they need for healthy growth and fruit development. Plus, investing in drip irrigation systems helps manage water supply efficiently, especially in areas prone to drought, preventing water stress and minimizing waste. Next up, fertilization is key. Conducting soil tests helps tailor fertilizer applications to your pineapple's exact nutrient needs, ensuring they have everything required for robust growth. Organic options like compost and manure work wonders for enriching soil health and promoting nutrient uptake. And for an extra boost, consider intercropping with nitrogen-fixing legumes, not only improving soil fertility, but also diversifying your income sources. But let's not forget about pest and disease management. Regular scouting for pests and diseases is essential for early detection and intervention, minimizing the risk of yield loss. Integrated pest management strategies, which combine biological controls with cultural practices and targeted pesticide use, help keep your pineapple crop healthy while preserving the ecosystem. And choosing disease-resistant pineapple varieties adds an extra layer of protection, reducing the need for chemical treatments. In the end, Cultivating maximum yield in pineapple farming is all about blending traditional know-how with cutting-edge practices. By taking a comprehensive approach that covers everything from planting to pest management, you'll be well on your way to a thriving pineapple harvest and a sustainable business for the long haul. Harvesting and post-harvest handling are critical stages in the pineapple farming process that can greatly impact the quality and shelf life of the fruit. Timing is everything when it comes to harvesting pineapples. Waiting until the fruit is fully ripe ensures optimal flavor and sweetness, but harvesting too late can result in overripe fruit prone to spoilage. Experienced farmers rely on visual cues such as changes in color and aroma, as well as gently tugging on the fruit to gauge ripeness. Once ready, pineapples are carefully cut from the plant using sharp knives to avoid damage to the fruit or the plant itself. After harvest, proper post-harvest handling is essential to maintain the freshness and quality of the pineapples. The fruit should be promptly transported to a processing facility or packing house to minimize exposure to heat and physical damage. Here, pineapples undergo cleaning and sorting to remove any dirt, debris, or damaged fruits. Depending on the intended market, pineapples may be packaged in various ways, including bulk containers for wholesale distribution or consumer-ready packs for retail sale. Cold storage facilities are often used to extend the shelf life of pineapples, preserving their flavor and texture until they reach consumers' hands. In addition to careful handling, attention to temperature and humidity levels during storage and transportation is crucial to prevent premature ripening and spoilage. Proper ventilation and controlled atmosphere storage can help maintain optimal conditions for pineapples, prolonging their freshness and marketability. By adhering to best practices in harvesting and post-harvest handling, pineapple farmers can ensure that their fruits reach consumers in peak condition, maximizing both satisfaction and profitability. Marketing and selling pineapples involves a strategic blend of branding, distribution channels, and consumer engagement to showcase the fruit's quality and appeal. Crafting a compelling brand story around your pineapples is essential to differentiate your product in the market. Highlighting factors such as superior taste, freshness, and sustainable farming practices can resonate with eco-conscious consumers seeking premium produce. Eye-catching packaging designs that reflect the tropical allure of pineapples can further enhance their visual appeal and attract attention on store shelves or online platforms. Selecting the right distribution channels is key to reaching target markets effectively. While traditional channels such as local markets and supermarkets remain essential, exploring alternative avenues such as farmers markets, community-supported agriculture, CSA, programs, and online marketplaces can expand your reach and diversify sales opportunities. Establishing partnerships with restaurants, juice bars, and specialty food stores can also create additional avenues for showcasing your pineapples to discerning consumers seeking high-quality ingredients for their culinary creations. Engaging with consumers through marketing initiatives such as social media campaigns, cooking demonstrations, and tasting events can foster brand loyalty and generate buzz around your pineapples. Sharing behind-the-scenes glimpses of your farm operations, recipes featuring pineapples, and customer testimonials can create a sense of connection and authenticity that resonates with consumers. Offering educational content about the health benefits of pineapples, sustainability practices, and fun facts about the fruit can further enrich the consumer experience and cultivate a loyal following. Moreover, exploring export opportunities can open doors to international markets hungry for premium African pineapples. Building relationships with international buyers, attending trade shows, and obtaining certifications such as Global Gap can instill confidence in the quality and safety of your pineapples, paving the way for successful exports. By adopting a strategic and multifaceted approach to marketing and selling pineapples, farmers can capitalize on the fruit's popularity and unlock lucrative opportunities in both domestic and international markets. In the world of pineapple farming, financial management and profit optimization are like the compass guiding the ship. It all begins with meticulous planning and budgeting, where every penny counts. We're talking about crunching numbers to understand startup costs, ongoing expenses, and potential revenue streams. This lays the groundwork for a solid financial strategy that keeps the business afloat and sailing smoothly. Once the numbers are in place, it's all about keeping a keen eye on the financial pulse of the operation. Tracking metrics like return on investment, ROI, and profit margins isn't just about numbers on a spreadsheet. It's about understanding the health of the business and making smart decisions based on what the data tells us. Regular financial check-ins help us spot areas where we're doing well and areas where we can tighten our belts to boost profitability. But it's not just about cutting costs. It's also about finding new ways to bring in revenue. That might mean exploring value-added products like pineapple juice or getting creative with marketing strategies to reach new customers. And let's not forget about managing risks. From crop damage to market fluctuations, there are plenty of curveballs that can come our way. That's why having a solid risk management plan in place is crucial for protecting our bottom line and ensuring we can weather any storm that comes our way. As your pineapple business grows, expanding and diversifying become natural steps to take your operation to the next level. Scaling up means increasing your pineapple cultivation, whether it's by acquiring more land or partnering with other growers. This not only boosts your production capacity, but also spreads out the risks, ensuring stability even in unpredictable conditions. Plus, as you grow, you can benefit from economies of scale, making your operation more cost-effective and competitive. Diversifying your offerings is another smart move to keep your business thriving. Instead of just selling fresh pineapples, consider branching out into value-added products like pineapple juice, preserves, or even skincare products. This not only opens up new revenue streams, but also gives you more ways to cater to different consumer preferences. And don't forget about exploring export markets. With the demand for high-quality African pineapples on the rise internationally, tapping into these markets can bring in significant profits while reducing your reliance on local sales. To make the most of these opportunities, it's crucial to stay ahead of the curve with innovation and technology. Whether it's investing in advanced farming techniques or leveraging digital marketing tools, embracing innovation can set your pineapple business apart from the competition. By scaling up, diversifying, and staying innovative, you'll be well positioned to take your pineapple business to new heights of success. Thank you for watching today's video. How profitable do you think investing in pineapple farming will be? Kindly leave your comments and be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to the New Africa Wealth channel for more informative videos.